Actually very appropriate because the poet talks about Bohe Nirantaro, Ananto Anando Dhara. So these three songs are of course in Bengali, but I'll translate the gist for you. So the first one says that the stream of the universe is unending, and in the midst of that, my song arises. So this was one of the first songs recorded that Manna Dey recorded, and it says Jage Agonno Rabi Chandra Tara. That means Baje Oshimo Nabho Majhe Anadi Rabo. My song resounds within the flow of the universe, and it is in the countless stars and in the countless suns in the universe that I find my place. So, here goes. This is the first song. Thanks again to Amit for.
Be sweet.
বিশ্বচরণে বিনত লক্ষ শত ভক্ত চিতবাঙ্ক হারা বহে নিরন্তর অনন্ত আনন্দ ধারা বহে নিরন্তর অনন্ত আনন্দ ধারা। Second song is another one of his favorites, one of the early ones that he recorded. It says, "Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole." So it's about you thinking about your beloved, and you say, "Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole." This is somebody who admires someone else from a distance, and he says, "Did you turn around when you saw me? Did you laugh and go away?" That's hurtful, right? So he's not sure whether his beloved is responding to him or not. And he says, "My thoughts are like the cranes flying in the sky. Akashe udiche boko pati bedona amar. My sadness flies with them. Tari sathi." So here goes. Mone ki didha rekhe gele chole sei din bhara সাঁঝে যেতে যেতে দুয়ার হতে কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি, কি কথা ছিল যে মনে 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 কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে। তুমি সে কি হেসে গেলে আঁখি করে, আমি বসে বসে ভাবি নিয়ে কম্পিত হৃদয়খানি। তুমি আছো দূর ভুবনে, মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে। আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি বেদনায় আমার, তারি সাথী আকাশে উড়েছে বকপাতি। বারে কত তোমায় শুধাবারে যায়, বিদায় কালে কি বলুনায় সে কি রয়ে গেল গো। সিংহ যুধির গন্ধ বেদনে মনে মনে কি দ্বিধা রেখে গেলে চলে। সেই দিন ভরা সাঁঝে যেতে যেতে দুয়ার হতে কি ভেবে ফিরালে মুখখানি, কি কথা ছিল যে মনে 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 final song I'll sing is another Rabindra Sangit. It says, Megh boleche jabo jabo. So the clouds, they will pass away, right? The poet says, sorrow is always at my feet, but whenever the clouds come, they pass away. All I want to do is to reach my shore. Once I reach my shore, that's essentially the end of my days, right? So that's all I need to do, is just to reach the shore. And so, the irony of it all is that he says, Bhuban bole, tomar tole, achi boron mala. The universe says that under your feet is a garland. All the garlands that humanity has put forward are at your feet. Gagan bole, tomar tole, lokho pradip jala. This is George Bush's 1,000 points of light. Pradip, millions of little lights who are the human beings on the planet. Gagan bole, tomar tole, lokho pradip jala. জীবন বলে মরণ বলে আমি তোমার জীবন তরি পাই that means death says I carry your life's boat. So the underlying theme is that although sorrows come and go, our eventual meeting is with our maker. So here goes. This was another favorite of Manna De's, one of his very early recordings. He started with Rabindra Sangit, and the first Rabindra Sangit I sang was recorded actually in 1960 by him. So, here goes. Megh boleche jabo jabo, raat boleche jay, Shravan wale phul mileche. রাত বলেছে যায়, সাগর বলে কুল মিলেছে, আমি তো আর না। মেঘ বলেছে যাবো যাবো, দুঃখ বলে রইল চুপে, তাহার পায়ের চিহ্ন রূপে। দুঃখ বলে রইল চুপে, তাহার পায়ের চিহ্ন রূপে। আমি আর কিছু না চাই। মেঘ বলেছে যাবো যাবো, রাত বলেছে যায়, সাগর বলে কুল মিলেছে, আমি তো আর না। মেঘ বলেছে যাবো যাবো, ভুবন বলে তোমার তলে আছে গগন বলে তোমার তলে লক্ষ প্রদীপ জ্বালা। ভুবন বলে তোমার তলে আছে বরণ মালা। appreciate the opportunity.
Aditya, that was the very first time we have had Rabindra Sangeet here.
Oh, okay.
It was a delight. Thank you for joining us. Rabindra Sangeet with the blues guitarist. Can you believe that?
Combination.
That's a deadly combination right there. But Shailin, that was good playing as well. It came together. It's like a good jugalbandi.
Okay. Thank you.
So up next is... So Aditya, up next is Amit Mehta, right?
Of course. No, that's not a good idea. Essential. I'll be a talent scout.
No, the guy, Muhammad Ali, what was his name? Don King, yes.
Doesn't he look like Don King?
The deal was he was telling me that, so I'm like a put out a I'm the Don King, I'm getting you the model.
This is great fun. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Please keep coming back.
Yeah.
We do this on the first Friday of every month. This is Silicon Valley's Got Bollywood.
Oh, great.
And
Actually, you want to tell him about his sons can perform on the other day.
yeah, exactly. I mean, and the third Friday, we actually have Silicon Valley's Got Talent. And we have a bunch of high school students who actually anchor and run the event.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it's basically, we get participation from all demographics of Saratoga. And they typically sing the Beyoncés and all the fun stuff. You know? So it's a good opportunity for them to come up on stage. The high school kids actually really enjoy anchoring the show. So in fact, if the kids are interested, they can actually anchor the show as well. And we typically have...
They learn music too. They sing classical vocal.
Oh, then they should sing tonight.
They can sing tonight and on those days are all kids, so they can always sing on those days.
Yeah, I mean, those days, I mean, it's majority kids.
Very nice.
Yeah. And the reason why we do this is to bring people explore Saratoga downtown, because it's our little way of economic revitalization. Because people go to Campbell, people go to Palo Alto. Nobody wants to come to Saratoga. So this is the reason why we started. Very
Very good. It's wonderful. It's a beautiful atmosphere. Thank you for this.
It's a pleasure to have you, Aditya. So Shailin, you want to do some solo guitar playing? I'm sorry? You want to tune the guitar? Okay.
Oh, thank you. Are
And today is the
Bangla
Bangla gathering here. Bangla bolchi to you have to come
Thank
here.
you.
So Kiran, come. And the Bay Area's finest, Kiran Singh, the Kathak performer, but no Kathak tonight. Tonight she is gonna sing duet is solo. Okay. Okay. So we'll sing a duet. Sorry? Shailin, right? You're talking about Shailin?
He had a very tragic
We don't know how to. We'll talk about how we connect you. We'll connect you in.
बेटा मतलब है और कुछ लोग आएंगे क्या आएंगे ना अभी 8:30 है